Welcome back to part 2 of our ChatGPT tool series. In the last video, we built our very own ChatGPT-powered chatbot using C# and the official OpenAI NuGet package. We connected everything with the real OpenAI API, and yes, it actually talked back to us. If you missed the video, check out my channel. I put the link also in this video description. There all steps are explained to get the connection to the API working. Today, we're upgrading our tool with the ability to generate images using DALL middle.e3, OpenAI's image generation model. And the best part? We're doing it right inside our already existing Windows Forms app. Alright, let's dive right into the code. We've added a picture box to display the generated image, and 2 buttons. One for generating the image, and another for saving it. So let's start in the button click event from our generation button. Simple and clean. We call our asynchronous generate image async method when the user clicks. Here's where the magic happens. Inside this method, we first grab the user prompt from the text box. If the prompt is empty, we show a friendly message. Then comes the real star. We're using the official OpenAI ImageClient to connect with DALL middle.e3, the image generation engine. We pass our API key and model name, DALL e3. Did you know? DALL middle.e3 understands even very complex prompts and can generate images that follow instructions almost perfectly, including detailed scenes, styles, and even text. Now we define the image generation options. Let's break it down. Quality. Standard gives us good quality without going full HD. The size we chose is wide and cinematic, perfect for thumbnails or presentations. The style. Vivid option gives us bold, colorful results. And we want the image in raw byte format for direct use. While generating, we disable the button and show generating as feedback for the user. Then we clear the picture. Now this line. We call the API, wait for DALL middle.e to generate the image, and receive it as binary data. We then create a temporary file. We save the image locally and then load it into our PictureBox. Just like that, your WinForms app becomes a full-blown AI art generator. And it only took a few lines of C#. Now let's talk about saving the image manually. We check if there's an image. If not, we warn the user. Otherwise, we use a save file dialog to let the user choose where to save it. Boom! Just like that, AI-generated art saved to your computer. So now your ChatGPT tool has two minds, one for text, one for art. You can ask it. Draw a cyberpunk city at night. Imagine a robot playing guitar on Mars. Or even a cat with sunglasses surfing a rainbow. Seriously. Try it. The results are wild. OpenAI released the first DALL Middle.e model in 2021, and DALL Middle.e3 came out in 2023 with much better prompt understanding and safety filters. With every generation, the models became smarter, not only in drawing but also in following your exact instructions. The future of AI art is here, and now, it's in your app. And yes, you're still using the same API key. Image generation costs more than text, but for fun projects or small batches, it's perfect. As of now, generating one high-quality DALL Middle.e3 image costs 4 cents. So with just $5 credit, you can generate around 125 images. That's it for today's follow-up. If you like this feature, hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic WinForms plus AI tutorials. In the next part, maybe we'll turn it into a meme generator. Or a logo creator. Or maybe even a comic book panel tool. Let me know in the comments what you want to build next with AI. Thanks for watching, and have fun coding with creativity.